Yo, what's good, YouTube? Back with another video. Part 3, bike check 2020. I'm gonna start with the bars, shadow bars with Colt Vans grips. I need to get new ones. But anyways, ODI barns with the shadow stem with Primo forks with Maxxis tires, front and back, Alienation tires. Alienation rims, front and back, and then you got hold on, Total BMX hubs with Total BMX cranks with the Odyssey pedals, and then I got a fucking odd one because it broke. But anyways, I got a Demolition sprocket. I think this is a shadow chain. Yeah, I don't even know. But anyways, I think this is an ISC seat with the I don't even know what this is. I forgot, honestly. I think it's a Merit or some shit. And then the Total BMX hub. I don't know if I said that or not. But yeah, I think that's about it. I'll be posting more videos and everything. Just wait on it. Subscribe for more, you already know. Alright, peace.